everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. This is the second time we're opening up Amoda tea box. I loved the teas last month, so I'm so excited to see what we have for December. So this is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or affiliated, but they did provide a code for you guys that helps you out. So this is a tea subscription. It's different than other tea subscriptions because they only work with small companies, so it's really great. So through them, you support multiple small companies. It's great. And you get to try amazing teas. Oh my gosh, there's so many to choose from. You get to personalize your box. You get 4 teas every month and you can choose all of them, and they add new teas each month as well. There's such a huge selection. It's so fun to go through. For you tea lovers, check it out. So it's $22 a month, but they provided a 40% off code, so you get 40% off your first month. It's kitties40 to save 40%. I'll leave all of that information down below. And it comes in this cute little box here. I haven't peeked yet. I am so ready for tea. It's afternoon, so we're gonna have to open this and then I'll decide with you guys what tea I'm gonna make literally right after this. Yay! Oh, how cute. It says kitty here. See, it's all personalized. I love how it comes packaged like this. So there is like a little card here. And it says, "Hi Amoda fam. Happy holidays. December is always such a special month to curate teas because there are so many incredible holiday-inspired tea blends to sample. We hope you are able to customize your box with a few of our new holiday teas and get to enjoy the creamy, decadent, and irresistible flavors. From our tea table to yours, we want to wish you the most wonderful time with family and friends and a safe and happy New Year's. Let's meet for tea again in 2024. I love that. How sweet. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I just saw the name of one. Ooh! So this is like the special curated box for December, so I didn't customize this, so this is all a surprise for me. So let's start with this one right here. It's called the Grinch. So I love the bags that come in. They're resealable and it has all the information right here. So this is by Naked Teas Galore is the brand. And the tasting notes. This mellow green tea is layered with cinnamon and citrus notes, including a touch of bergamot in the finish. We can't guarantee that your heart will grow 3 sizes with this tea, but it should make you feel all toasty inside. This is so yummy sounding and so perfect for the Grinch to have a green tea. So the ingredients, looks like they're organic because there's little like stars by all of them, so I'm not going to say organic for each of them, but green tea, cinnamon, orange peel, currants, blackberry leaf, calendula, rose petals, natural flavoring. It's a low caffeine, and that gives you information on steeping and temperature and all of that. Sounds amazing. Ooh, and yeah, since it's like 3 p.m. right now, oh my god, I was almost exactly right with my guess, 3:01. Low caffeine might be the way to go, but oh, we'll see. We'll see what sounds best. Maybe let's go with, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Next up, it's called Chocolate Sauce. This is also by Naked Teas Galore. This is what it looks like. If the lighting is different, I had a Mercury retrograde moment. My ring light that I just bought last month is broken. When I was filming the unboxing video yesterday, when I turned the light off, it shocked me and then broke. But I have another light behind it, so I think it's okay. But okay, anyways. A black tea infused with all-natural fudge flavor, a kiss of peppermint and black currant. This taste is smooth and irresistible with a cooling undertone. Ooh, so all organic ingredients as well. Black tea, cocoa nibs, currants, peppermint, calendula, natural flavoring, high caffeine. Sounds so good. Might have to have this like when I'm craving something sweet for dessert. The next one, I noticed this name when I was like looking briefly. It's called eggnog. I haven't had eggnog in forever. I want like an adult eggnog. I can probably have one of those next week. Let's see. Next week, soon. My parents come Friday. Wait, anyways, eggnog, plum deluxe. Get into the holiday spirit with this deliciously festive blend. Woodsy, creamy, and perfectly spiced with cinnamon and cardamom. This oolong tea blend is dairy-free. Top it with frothed milk for a fun tea latte. I don't think I showed you guys, did I? Plum Deluxe, I said Plum Deluxe, but I didn't specify that's the brand. I've tried them before. I like their teas. Oolong tea, cinnamon, cardamom, and vanilla essence are the ingredients. This is medium caffeine. Interesting. This is getting me in the holiday spirit. Now let's go over the last one. Buttery shortbread. This is also by Plum Deluxe. Like crumbly shortbread biscuits fresh from the oven, this honey bush blend is rich and delicately sweet. You will love the warm vanilla and golden buttery flavors in every sip. Yum! So it's made with honey bush tea, cocoa peel, blackberry leaves, flavor essences, and this one's caffeine free. We have it all across the board, the caffeine levels. I appreciate that. Oh my gosh, yes. So I might go with, I might need to try the eggnog. Is it too late in the day to have eggnog? By the time you guys see this, it'll be 5. So I'll be already eating dinner. I make dinner around 5. I like to eat before the sun sets. I don't know. I don't really need to tell you all this information right now. Maybe I should have the Grinch. Oh, let's see. So the Grinch is mellow green tea with cinnamon, citrus. Ooh, yeah, bergamot. I don't know, because chocolates, they all sound good, but I want like a little bit of caffeine at least. But oh yeah, these two sound, the buttery shortbread and chocolate sauce dessert, yummy, like it all sounds so good, and they're all so Christmassy and festive, and I love it. But I think I'm the most interested in it, maybe by the eggnog. I think it's just making me think of other beverages. I don't know. I'm excited about all of them. Let me know what one sounds the best to you guys. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. And again, they have like hundreds of teas to choose from. So many, and they sort them by like flavor profiles. So yeah, and they add like 6 to 8 or like a lot each month as well. So these are like their December new editions, I believe, or especially curated for the holiday season. Love it. So excited. Can't wait to make some tea. I'm going to go and do that. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you to Amoda Tea for sending me these. Made my day. You guys always make my day. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your love and support. I truly love you guys. Speaking of support, if you guys haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you did so. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye. It's me again. I just realized that there were tea bags rolled up in there. I wonder if that was in the last box and I missed that. I don't really remember that from last month, but there are tea bags to use, to use with your loose leaf teas. So awesome. So anyways, bye for girl this time. Bye.